everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. I am going to take you on a personal tour of the new 2020 3426 Kountry Star that Newmar brought back. Let's go ahead on the outside and take a quick tour. You've got your huge extended mirrors here, side view cameras, which are going to pop up right on your dash on the screen there. They're turn signal activated as usual. Gorgeous paint job by Newmar. Full body paint. Wanted to show you the amount of storage this has. That other door, that first door, is also storage, but wanted to show this off a little bit even more. This is a full pass-through storage. You've got your extra tiles here. It's kind of a felt lining, so super easy to keep clean. Then on this side, you've got an outside TV with a Bose sound bar. Huge insulated doors, as usual by Newmar. It's one of my favorite things about them. A little bit more storage on this side. Your batteries. We're on a Freightliner chassis 360 Cummins diesel engine. So here is the back of the coach. You've got your integrated backup camera right there. Full access roof ladder. Beautiful Newmar and Kountry Star logo. A little bit more storage on this end with some plug-ins. They're all lit, by the way, so if you need to grab something at night or maybe you pull up to your campsite at night, you're well lit. It's your DEF tank. Your wet bay is going to be here. Water filter, your drain, outside shower. You've got a low point drain so that you can stick your hose through this circle here so that you don't have to have your door open. Plus you can stick the water hose through this little inlet here. Also helps you just have all that stuff hooked up without having to have your door open. Here's the other side to that pass-through storage. Let's go ahead inside and take a look at the floor plan that they've got. Okay, so Newmar uses beautiful ultra leather flex steel furniture in all of their coaches. This is gonna go up all the way to their luxury brand. Really, really nice of Newmar, and it's just a beautiful stitch. I just love these chairs. This is where your screen is gonna show up for your backup camera, and when I said turn signal activated side view cameras, this is where they're gonna show up. So it's very, very easy viewing for the driver. You've got auto leveling at the touch of your finger, adjustable steering wheel, beautiful, nice big couch that's studded. This does pull out to a queen size bed if you've got kids, grandkids, or guests with you. Your ottomans, footstool so you can relax, or you can flip these over. They also act as storage as well. You can flip these over and it's a solid surface. You can rest your coffee cup, your drink on there, your book. This floor plan has a table and chairs. This does expand, and you have two more chairs that you can fit on the end. Beautiful, nice counter space. What I like about the table and chairs floor plans in general is that it's always going to give you tons more storage. So you've got all these drawers, huge amount of storage space. These drawers are soft close, by the way, so it's nice. So if you get mad at somebody, you can't slam a door. And then even more storage on this end. The nice big hinges. I really like that because it shows you the good quality that Newmar uses throughout their brands. Let's move into the kitchen. I like the angled TV, again with the Bose sound system. You've got a huge amount of storage up here as well. Then moving into the kitchen, it's nice and angled. I like this because as the cook, it kind of makes you feel more involved with whatever's going on in your coach. And camping, you've got a beautiful, massive double stainless steel sink. Beautiful Corian countertops with a very elegant faucet. Put back on there straight, there you go. Again, lots of storage, very well insulated. Newmar is one of the best insulated coaches throughout in the industry, bar none. You've got a huge convection microwave oven with an adjustable shelf. So you don't have a gas oven, but you've got the convection, but instead you have tons more storage. Huge drawers. Plus, look at that. Look how beautiful that is. Nice stainless steel gas stovetop. You've got a Norcold fridge, a 2-door, so you've got your refrigerator and freezer with all your shelves, and these are removable and adjustable. Again, massive storage here, a pantry. And let's step back just a little, and I'm going to show you the restroom. Lots of bathroom storage, really good amount of counter space. You have a stainless steel sink, your medicine cabinet, very large shower with a nice glass door. I love these sliding pocket doors for the master bedroom because it just saves space and it makes the hallway look much more wide. You've got ample storage space up here as well in the master, plus all these huge drawers. So you've got drawers plenty to, and they're very deep, so you've got room to fit everybody's belongings, and your soft clothes as well. Adjustable TV here, more storage. Nice, beautiful king-size bed, which is really nice for a 34-foot. You've got your closet, huge closet here. There you go, with a little shelf space up there, and it is lit. There's a light up there so that if you need to get things at night, you can do that. This is for a washer and dryer. It's pre-plumbed if that's what you are needing in your coach. You've got your outlets, you've got your water lines, everything it's ready to go if you do want a stackable washer and dryer, and we can certainly do that for you. And it's something that we can have done before you pick up your coach so that it's all ready for you to go. Or if you like the idea of even more closet space, you can do that as well. You've already got a hanging bar there. This, of course, is removable. And so it's a really nice feature. If you want to learn more about this coach, if you want to test drive it, please give me a call. Emilie.McKennon, 512-213-9635 is my cell, or number here at the office is 541-998-1148. My extension is 2519. Until next time, enjoy the road.